before the first ray of sunlight touches your skin, something invisible begins inside your body. A quiet battle that never stops. Every cell, every blood vessel, every joint is working, fighting, and repairing, and sometimes fighting a little too much. That invisible process is called inflammation. At first, it's good. It's how your body heals. But when inflammation stays for too long, when it becomes your body's full-time job, it begins to harm instead of heal. This is what doctors call chronic inflammation, the slow, silent fire that burns beneath the surface. You don't always see it, but you feel it, in the morning stiffness in your knees, the unexplained tiredness, the dull headaches, the mood swings, the random swelling, or that heaviness that refuses to go away no matter how much you rest. According to Harvard Health Publishing, chronic inflammation is now considered the root cause of most modern illnesses, from heart disease and diabetes to Alzheimer's and even depression. Scientists call it the invisible epidemic of our century. But here's the irony. Centuries before research labs and medical journals, our grandparents already understood inflammation, even if they didn't use the word for it. They called it heat in the body, or impurity in the blood. They didn't have pills to reduce it. They had spices, herbs, and warm water, simple natural remedies that calmed this inner fire. Today, we're going to revisit one of those ancient morning habits, a drink that my grandmother used to make every day, a cup of cinnamon and clove water with a touch of honey. It smells like comfort, tastes like warmth, and heals like medicine. And now science confirms what our ancestors always knew, that this one humble cup can reduce inflammation, balance blood sugar, protect your heart, and even boost your brain health, all in the most natural way possible. So stay with me till the end, because by the last sip of this story, you'll understand why this one cup can truly change your mornings, and perhaps your life. My grandmother was the gentlest soul I knew. Her mornings were slow, sacred, and full of ritual. She always began her day in silence, standing by the stove with her wooden spice box open, a little treasure chest filled with the colors of nature: golden turmeric, dark cinnamon sticks, tiny brown cloves, black pepper, cardamom pods, and dried ginger roots. I used to watch her as a child, fascinated by how she never rushed. Every movement was intentional, as if she was performing a quiet prayer. She would take a small clay pot, pour in a cup of water, add 2 cloves, and then break a cinnamon stick in half with her hands. The moment it hit the water, the room filled with the most comforting aroma. Sweet, spicy, warm, and alive. After a few minutes, she would pour it into her clay cup, let it cool slightly, add a spoon of honey, and sip it while looking out the window at the rising sun. When I asked her why she drank it every single morning, she smiled and said, "Because this cup keeps my blood clean, my heart soft, and my pain away." At the time, I laughed, thinking it was just another old tradition. But years later, after reading hundreds of scientific papers on inflammation and antioxidants, I realized that her blood-cleansing cup was in fact a perfect anti-inflammatory formula. She didn't know the term oxidative stress or cytokines or free radicals. She just knew balance. She trusted nature. Now, researchers call cinnamon and clove nutraceuticals, foods that act like medicine. Both are loaded with polyphenol and bioactive compounds that neutralize inflammation and protect cells. Honey, on the other hand, heals the gut, which is the root of the immune system. Her simple morning habit was decades ahead of medical science. She wasn't curing a symptom. She was protecting the system. The science of inflammation. The fire within. Inflammation is a natural process. When you get a cut or an infection, your immune system releases chemicals like cytokines and histamines. They increase blood flow, raise temperature, and send white blood cells to fight off the problem. That's what makes your skin red, swollen, or warm when you're healing. That's acute inflammation, and it's good. But in our modern lifestyle, with processed foods, pollution, chronic stress, and lack of sleep, the body's repair system never switches off. The immune cells keep firing, even when there's no injury to heal. That's when inflammation becomes chronic. Inside your arteries, it creates micro tears that attract cholesterol, forming plaque. In your joints, it erodes cartilage and causes pain. In your brain, it damages neurons and slows down communication. And in your gut, it breaks down the lining, allowing toxins to leak into your bloodstream, something scientists now call leaky gut syndrome. According to Nature Reviews Immunology, 2019, chronic inflammation is driven by high levels of IL-6, TNF-alpha, and C-reactive protein, CRP, the same molecules that this cinnamon and clove combination naturally helps reduce. So when we talk about reducing inflammation, we're not just easing pain, we're protecting every organ, every cell, and every blood vessel in your body. And that's where this morning cup comes in. It's not just a warm drink. It's an intelligent blend of natural anti-inflammatory agents working in harmony. The recipe: the healing cup. Light bubbling water or kettle sound in background. Let's make the same cup my grandmother made. Simple, pure, and powerful. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. 1/2 teaspoon ground Ceylon cinnamon or 1 small stick, 2 whole cloves, 1 teaspoon raw honey. Add after cooling, optional. A few drops of lemon juice or a pinch of black pepper. Method: pour water into a small pot and bring it to a gentle boil. Add the cinnamon and cloves. Let them simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until the water turns golden brown and fills the air with aroma. Turn off the heat, strain the water into a cup, and let it cool slightly. Add honey only when it's warm, not hot, to preserve its natural enzymes. Stir slowly, breathe in the scent, and sip mindfully. This cup is not just a drink. It's a morning meditation. The warmth of cinnamon opens up your circulation, the eugenol from clove calms inflammation, and the honey coats and soothes your digestive system, feeding healthy gut bacteria that support your immunity. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, 2016, found that the volatile oils from cinnamon and clove reduced oxidative stress in cells by up to 60%, helping your body recover faster from inflammation. So every time you take a sip, your cells are quietly being repaired, gently, naturally, and powerfully. How it works inside your body. The science behind the sip. When this warm drink enters your system, it begins a silent symphony of healing. Cinnamon is rich in a compound called cinnamaldehyde, which has been shown to block inflammatory enzymes like COX-2 and NF-κB, the same ones targeted by ibuprofen. But unlike drugs, it doesn't harm your stomach or liver. It improves blood flow, stabilizes blood sugar, and helps regulate the immune response so it doesn't overreact. According to the Journal of Medicinal Food, 2017, cinnamon not only reduces CRP, C-reactive protein, a major inflammation marker, but also helps lower fasting glucose and LDL cholesterol, which means it improves both inflammation and metabolism at the same time. Clove, on the other hand, is nature's built-in pain reliever. It contains eugenol, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anesthetic properties. Eugenol reduces the production of prostaglandins, the chemicals responsible for pain and swelling. A phytotherapy research, 2018, study showed that clove extract reduced inflammatory markers by up to 50%. It also boosts glutathione, your body's master antioxidant, helping your liver flush out toxins more efficiently. Honey completes this trio by healing from within. It feeds beneficial gut bacteria, which regulates 70% of your immune system. When your gut is healthy, your inflammation levels naturally drop. A BMC Complementary Medicine, 2020 study confirmed that honey lowers IL-6 and TNF-alpha, two major inflammatory chemicals, while increasing antioxidant enzymes that protect your cells. Together, these three ingredients create a natural chain reaction. Cinnamon widens blood vessels and improves circulation. Clove neutralizes pain and oxidative stress, and honey rebuilds your gut and strengthens immunity. It's not just a drink, it's daily cellular therapy. Every cup tells your body, you can rest now. You can heal now. Real benefits you'll feel when the body begins to heal. Drink this every morning for a week, and your body will start whispering small signs of change. You'll feel lighter after waking up. Your digestion will be smoother, your joints less stiff, your energy calmer but more consistent. Within a month, you may notice your skin glowing, your mood lifting, and your sleep becoming deeper. A 2020 study in clinical rheumatology found that cinnamon extract reduced arthritis pain and stiffness by 36% within 8 weeks. Not by numbing pain, but by reducing inflammation at the source. When your arteries relax, blood flow improves. Your heart pumps easier. Your brain gets more oxygen. Even your face looks fresher. A Journal of the American College of Nutrition, 2019, review found that cinnamon reduced triglycerides by 23% and total cholesterol by 15%, while clove improved microcirculation. In the gut, honey and cinnamon work together to calm inflammation and rebuild the gut barrier, preventing leaky gut, a leading cause of systemic inflammation. According to Frontiers in Microbiology, 2021, this combination improved gut flora diversity, reducing intestinal inflammation and even anxiety levels. And in the brain, both cinnamon and clove contain neuroprotective compounds that reduce oxidative stress and protect neurons. The Journal of Neuroinflammation, 2019, found that cinnamon extract reduced brain inflammation in Alzheimer's models and improved memory response. When your inflammation drops, your mood rises, your skin glows, your thoughts sharpen, and your energy becomes stable. Your body doesn't just look better, it feels younger. Precautions and health advice. Even nature's medicine needs wisdom. Healing happens in balance, not excess. Always use Ceylon cinnamon, not cassia. Cassia contains a compound called coumarin, which in large amounts can strain the liver. Ceylon, the true cinnamon, is lighter, softer, and safe for daily use. Stick to 1 cup a day. This drink is powerful. More isn't better. 1 cup gently trains your body to lower inflammation without overstimulating it. If you have acid reflux or sensitive digestion, don't drink it on an empty stomach. Cinnamon increases stomach warmth, which is beneficial for metabolism but can irritate sensitive stomachs. If you're taking blood-thinning medications like aspirin or warfarin, remember that clove also naturally thins the blood. Always consult your doctor before making it a daily habit. Pregnant women should use it occasionally, not daily, because both cinnamon and clove can mildly stimulate uterine muscles. Nursing mothers should consult their doctor. And most importantly, remember that no natural remedy replaces a healthy lifestyle. This cup works best when you eat clean, move your body, stay hydrated, and rest well. It's not a miracle. It's a rhythm. Nature works slowly, steadily, and deeply. My grandmother always said, "Nature whispers, but you must be quiet enough to hear her." Now I understand. Every time I make this cup, I hear her voice. I see her calm smile. That little clay cup she held wasn't just a drink. It was a promise between her and nature. A promise of balance, patience, and faith. Tomorrow morning, before you reach for your phone or your coffee, pause. Boil a cup of water. Add 2 cloves and a small cinnamon stick. Let the aroma rise. Add a touch of honey. Sit somewhere quiet, take a breath, and sip slowly. As it warms your chest and flows through your veins, remember, you're not just drinking a remedy, you're drinking centuries of wisdom, now confirmed by science. It's the warmth of nature reminding your body how to heal. Try it for 7 mornings. Observe your body, your sleep, your energy, your calm. And when you notice the difference, share your story. Tag #HealingCupChallenge and inspire someone else to rediscover the quiet power of kitchen medicine. You've been listening to Home Cooking and Home Remedies, where ancient wisdom meets modern science. Until next time, stay natural, stay healthy, and keep your heart smiling.